Hi guys, this is Joselle again, and right now I am going to walk you through on how I created my booking form that's already connected to my Calendly. Let me show you first my booking form. This is my booking form, and I customize it and I created a form using code for this one to be integrated with Calendly directly. Let me just go ahead and put some information. You're gonna see what are the information that we can include. I have three service that provided for this scenario. I just put it inside. I don't need to somehow get the information, and it's going to be directly linked to my Calendly. I have to choose first what type of events. And then in my Calendly, I created a schedule directly of when we are open and available that they can choose. Here, actually, it's connected to my Google, so it's Philippine time. However, if you see here, it's gonna be nighttime. They're gonna show you all information and still you need to fill out. Two ways is the first form that was inputted is for your own leads. And here, this is for your Calendly. And after I inputted my information, I'm gonna choose schedule event. It's gonna be available to my Calendly. And I'm gonna choose done. Automatically appointment booked successfully. This is, they know that it's available and they will be also receiving an email after that. And how I did it, it's simple. I'll just start with going to Calendly and check your availability, create the event types, the duration, the location. I choose Google Meet and I haven't put the location first. It's because it's going to be at the end since I am not sure yet. Choosing your availability here, but it's up to you because on my end, I haven't created a link yet for that schedule since I'm still just trying to check on how it works. After that, I click Save Changes. It's going to be create a new schedule here or the event types. And after that, what I did, I'm thinking of using make.com again for the automation. However, some options are not available and it's quite complicated most of the time if it's going to be the time differences. That's why I choose this kind of steps instead. And now this is how I do it using codes. I already have my forms, and if you see at the bottom part of it, I'll just use the assets where it's going to be inside the form and they have to fill it out as well. That's how I did it. I just copy the code and then try to launch it. I use this. This is a simple way of trying if that is working or not. With launch JSON, this is your trial. You'll have to get that specific link and then put it in your web browser. I usually do it every time that I am creating code or any webhooks. I put my webhooks here. This is how I try it. I just went to help and then help center. It's going to be going to the help center page. And then you'll be able to see integration and apps, how you connect your calendars. But I check all the options here, embed options. When I use embed options, I just choose what's going to be the best. Since I created my own website, I just needed to have the code. And if you have some website from different platforms, you can use this. And it's really, really helpful. Calendly, they already have an option if you want to put it in line, pop-up text example, or a widget. I'm not really fond of that because it sometimes loads. I just choose my own way. That's how I do it, and you can just choose which type of code you wanted to put. But always check. The important thing that you have to include is this one mode. So this, the widget, and also the pre-fill booking answer. Because if you wanted to integrate it with each other, you're gonna see that both. That's why I have every time that I added a new code, I'll try it. That's how I integrate the booking form that I have with Calendly. Thank you, and yeah, see you for my next on